fear of failure to be exact. Every instinct in my body said, this is going to be impossible. But I pushed through that impossibility, and out of that space, HRX was born. Born out of the journey from hopelessness to inspiration. That was the transformation. Born to inspire the people who now face impossible challenges in their lives like I did. But I sit on the producer's chair with HRX Films with a completely different feeling. I sit solely and purely out of love. My irreplaceable, irrevocable, unconditional love for cinema. Here is where I truly feel the freedom, I truly feel the flight. And I could not have taken this flight if it was not for my brother Ishan Roshan, who truly is the wind beneath our wings and the force behind HRX Films. And thank you to the best partners ever. Here is where we begin at Prime Video. Thank you, Gaurav, thank you, Nikhil, thank you, Saira, thank you, Chetan, of course, Nicole, and the entire team at Prime Video. Thank you for believing in HRX Films, and let's do this. God bless, thank you. There you go.
Wow. Ritik, sorry, I'm going to call you Ritik just because it's a formal function, but I always call you Dugu, but that might not be appropriate for today. Ritik, that was quite an entry. It really was, and thank you for actually entering the zone as a producer now. It truly actually warms my heart to see that happen.
Well, Karan, you have literally been the best producer I have worked with. Do you have any advice for a newbie producer like you?
So let's get some facts right. Okay, so you've grown up on film sets. You learned filmmaking from your illustrious grandfather, Mr. Jayam Prakash, and your father, Mr. Rakesh Roshan, who is one of the most prolific filmmakers, producers, and directors. And then you were an AD for many years before you launched yourself into the biggest big screen debut there ever was. I think you've been training all your life to join this producers club, actually.
That's a lot to live up to. Thanks for reminding me. I can take the burden now.
No, you don't have to. Don't worry. You'll be amazing at everything you do. But on a serious note, the first order of business as producer, why don't you please introduce all of us to the title?
Absolutely, with pleasure. So, as we all know, every transformation begins with a storm. Every new role begins with a storm, and that's where HRX Films also begins. I very proudly present to you our first venture with Prime Video, Storm. Can we have the sizzle, please?
Over here, we couldn't be more excited about the series that you guys are producing. Thank you so much.
I have the question actually.
Yeah.
I really want to ask Ishan this question. So how do you and Ritik settle any differences, and trust me, there may be, and there will be, of opinion on scripts that you'd like to make? How does that process work?
So, frankly, Karan, I'll speak the truth. It is very difficult to get each other like a story. So, he approaches the stories that he wants to produce with the same passion that he chooses then for his acting. So, if I really like a story and I connect with it and I take it to him, and he connects with it as well, then it's all good. We go ahead. But if he doesn't connect with it, then I have to respect that decision and I take it back. But then I keep that story with me for a few days, maybe a few weeks, maybe a few months. But if it's still bothering me and it's still haunting me, the story, then I take it back to him and I present it to him in a very different way. And then again we sit on it and we have our discussions and we see the merits, demerits, how much work is required, what is it that we have to work on. And then sometimes he says yes.
But inadvertently, Ishan, I think you struck upon the Ritik Roshan process yourself, because I think that's what he does with his own films. He says no, then it festers, then he'll call back, and then many a time it's happened that he's done that film after a gap of many months of thought and marinating, right? So I think this is a little bit of a trick you're playing with him.
Yeah, no. it's just passion. I think sometimes he sees the passion in the person who's presenting it
Right.
and the person who's pursuing it.
Right.
And then I think sometimes he goes with that passion.
Well, fantastic. By the way, I have to say this. That looked absolutely fantastic. So congratulations to all of you. It looked amazing. I want to watch this ASAP. I can't wait for it to drop. Before we go ahead, we'd love to have Gaurav Gandhi and Nicole back on stage for a photo. Nikhil, we would like you to, because you don't want to spill any tea or coffee for that matter, but all goes wrong when home invaders break in with their shoes on.
So this is a comedy with a thrilling twist. In this, the hero doesn't panic, he doesn't scream, he doesn't run, he cleans.
Wow.
Prime Video presents Mess. What can audiences expect from this one?
There's honestly only one rule we're putting onto anything when you're attempting comedy, which is basically if you're going to be funny, then make sure people laugh. Yeah. So I think the audience can pretty much expect to laugh till all the way. And as far as our collabs, but here's the thing. Neither of these brothers are as serious as they look here. Right? So pretty much all jam sessions end up devolving into one massive, group ball of tomfoolery. And very, very happy to tell you that pretty much everything has found its way into the film. And I think honestly, it's very liberating to have producer partners in David.
Well, Ritik, both Storm and Mess are from such different worlds, actually. They totally are. How do you select what story you truly want to tell?
So this is partly the trick that Ishan uses on me. When he insisted that I watch this show called Double, and my mind was blown. And then he insisted I meet Ajit Pal. And when I met Ajit Pal, I connected so deeply with his cinematic mind that I just knew that, yeah, I have to do something with this human being. I don't even care what it is. And we started chatting, and Storm emerged out of that conversation. And then there was the script called The Mess, which was lying on my shelf, and Ishan was constantly puddle, again and again and again. And I didn't know what to do with it until in the pandemic, I sat and I watched Loot Case. And finally the dots connected. Because perhaps the only visionary who could justify that script, this straight-faced, crazy comedy, was Rajesh Krishnan. So apparently at HRX Films, really it's all about the director. And I'm really thankful for the pushing. Thank you, Ishu.
Well, we're grateful for the pushing as well, because now we have a messy storm really coming up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, may I please invite Gaurav Gandhi, Nikhil,
very new production company, Eternal Sunshine Productions. And we, Shaheen and I, very early on, when we started out, decided that we would like to give as much sunshine to the movies that the movies have given to us. And Don't Be Shy is a film that we literally cannot wait for the audience to see, and it would not have been possible without our partners, Vikesh from Chalkboard and our executive producer Ankita, so thank you so much. And yeah, I'm not shy, I've spoken quite a bit.
Yeah, when Shriti Mukherjee, the director of Don't Be Shy, came to us with this idea, we fell in love with it immediately. It was exactly the kind of fresh, vibrant storytelling that we were hoping to bring to life. And yeah, we're just very, very proud of this film, and we're so happy that Shriti trusted us with this.
Well, that's why we can't wait to have her join us right here on this stage. And I have personal love, affection, and history with her as well. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming the debutant director of Don't Be Shy, Shriti Mukherjee. Woo! So we have the producers and the director here. Who is in the film?
Actor?
That's lovely. With AI, you never know. But very reassuring to hear that. What I meant was, who are the actors?
Okay, so these actors are making their debut.
All right.
And we also made our debut once upon a time.
All right. Okay.
I mean, they're performers.
Yeah.
Just like perfect for a of age, romantic film like this one.
So wonderful. And I'd love to take this chat like post the show, but I see when we're going in circles a little bit, like thoda gol gol like that. So do these actors or performances have names or they're just creatures?
Yeah. No, they have names. Good names.
They have names.
Very nice names.
Yeah. Good names. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I've been polite so far. I just have to say it as it is. But what are these names?
You know, I have to say, Nikhil, it's been an honor partnering with Prime Video. You all have the most fantastic team, and we can't wait for Don't Be Shy to be on Prime Video for the world.
I see. You've truly mastered the art of being a seasoned producer already. Alia, because your answers seem beautifully independent of my questions for some reason.
Yes, Karan, because there is a way to launch actors.
And clearly I would know that, would I? I've never done something like that.
Well, what can I say? We've learned from the best, and the best have always taught us that there's a timing for everything.
Okay.
And speaking of timing, I think this would be a great time for a group photo, which would be incomplete without our co-producer Grishma Shah. So,
But before he comes in, I have a very important question to ask you. It's crucial and critical and it's not on the script. Are they outsiders?
Yes.
I'm so proud of you. Alright, okay. While the actors are kept under wraps, then I would like to introduce the team that made this happen. Please welcome their partner in crime on stage.
Amazon Prime Video. I'm very nervous, I don't know why.
You've done this before a gazillion
Yeah,
times.
but I'm extremely nervous. So thank you, Nikhil, Rashmi, the entire Amazon team. You guys are wonderful and thank you for backing system. Thank you to my story writer, my producer, Harman Baveja, who's not here, who's on a holiday. And I think he needed this break. And Arun Sukumar to write this beautiful story, and I got to direct it. So I have a huge gratitude for that. We started off this film with a name called Gratitude. It was in 2025 Jan 1st. And we didn't know what name to put it on, so I just went and said Gratitude because it's Jan 1st and we're starting a film. And therefore I have a lot of gratitude. Thank you, Ashu sir, Jyotika, Sonakshi, who's not there with us today because she's shooting an Amazon show, and the entire cast and crew who have always been there trusting me. Now, why this story? Because I just feel that as a courageous storyteller, we just need to break boundaries, and we also need to tell stories that define the pure form of humanity, of participating in stories that define society and make us as equals. So therefore system. Yeah.
Thank you. Jyotika, we are such big admirers of your work. Can you tell us a little more about the movie without giving too much away?
So vote of thanks to everyone, as Rashmi said, I won't repeat it. Thank you, Amazon and to Harman. About the film, I think it's a very relevant topic to the society, and that's what makes it very special. There are also twists and turns which keep you hooked on to the film. So I think that's absolutely wonderful. And to me, the best part about the film is the emotional connect between the two female protagonists, and that really got me on board when I got this script. So it's there. We are very excited about it and leaving it to everyone now.
Lovely, lovely. And
Well, Ashu, I have to just say that this is not fair because I thought I was the director who would be getting all lead parts, but it didn't happen after a certain film many years ago. But you have done such exceptional work as an actor. Lesser known fact, I have faced the camera with Ashutosh in a TV serial called Indradhanush many, many moons ago, like over 35 years ago. And now to see you, like, of course, such a prolific filmmaker, director, and producer, amazing and internationally renowned. But as such an amazing actor, how does it feel being on set as an artist?
Oh, well, it's wonderful because actually it's quite liberating. Because as a director, we know how much time we give to our projects, and we are constantly worrying about so many things in a film. I'm not saying acting is easy, but it becomes easy when you have a director like Ashwini Tiwari, who made it a cakewalk for me. I really enjoyed this part. I'm playing the part of Ravi Rajvansh. And to be collaborating with Nikhil Prime and Harman Baweja, who was my lead star in Vache Rashi Nani. So it was like a coming round again, coming together again. So it's been wonderful to work with Pamiji on this film, and I look forward. Like you said, it starts here.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Alright, so I request everyone, the team of System, to do a photo op for us. This gorgeous beauty who's a stunning actor and this genius of an artist. Like this genius. I was just telling you how much I loved him on a show that I can't talk about on this platform. But I have to say it anyway. I can't even tell you about the show, film that, I can't say anything. Requesting everyone now to please stay and do a photo for us. Please, Nikhil, of course, join them for a picture. I'm going to step aside.
Walked before, and we went period. So it was very, very interesting costumes, very interesting timeline to be part of, and yeah, we tried to pull something. Thoda naya hai.
Looks absolutely incredible. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Sonali, I have a question for you. We are big fans, always looking forward to seeing you on screen. I just wanted to ask you what made Raat special and made you say yes to it.
Nikhil, you're one of the first persons I need to thank for that. Thank you for thinking of me for this role. But good evening, everybody. It's lovely to be here, and I haven't seen this teaser yet. So the story is that I get this call. Nikhil says that I think you should hear this. I'm like, are you sure it's a smaller role, as in the sense it's an interesting role, it's an ensemble cast, what is happening? And then I meet these two lovely writers, Anusha and Sandeep, and with them comes this amazing director process. They sit there and narrate this story to me. And you know what, even if I had to stand in the background, I would have said yes. That is what it was, that's what it was.
Well, kudos to the entire team, and we'd love for all of you to give us a photo opportunity. And Vijay, serial killer, gangster, now you're a gambling kingpin. Seems like being an outlaw really does pay off for you. And well, how do you ensure that no two characters actually feel the same to you in your interpretation?
I mean, the stories are completely different, and this one, Matka King, is set in the 60s about a man who found a loophole in the system, and he found an enterprise and ran with it and made a massive empire and accumulated a raw fortune, not just for himself, for his entire family. So it's a very relevant piece of history that we've forgotten, and I feel like to be able to tell the story with this incredible team and my dream director Nagaraj Manjule is an honor that I've been waiting for.
Kritika, Sai, I also wanted to ask you, both of you are such talented actresses. Can you tell us about some experiences from the shoot that really stood out for you?
Go say. I think working with such fantastic team, the actors, the production house, everybody, it was a feeling of full Sangam, and that full Sangam feeling has stayed with me. Honestly, I'd like to make one confession. I've also said yes to this so that I can meet Vidyaji someday. Vidya ma'am, I'm really a huge fan. But it was a great experience, and I'm really looking forward to this one.
Well, before we proceed, I'd love to invite on stage Sahira Nair, head of Nuances. What can you tell us about the film and the world of this spectacular teaser that we just saw of One?
So, Indian folklore has been a part of all of us, and I think it's time that we bring out with state-of-art VFX and a large screen experience some of our most undiscovered Indian folklore. And we have a very, very interesting cast here. Siddharth, Tamanna, my old favorite Shweta, Manish, and it's also our first association with TVF on film and with Amazon. So it is, I think, one of our most exciting scripts. It was brought to us as a concept by TVF. So it is going to give a whole new, I think it's going to be a whole new genre breaker. So hoping for the audiences to like it the way we do.
you had to collaborate with TVF because TV is you. And if you weren't going to collaborate with TVF, then who was?
Wow.
TV, we now have an F.
Well, we like the sound of that. Yes, we love the sound of that. Manish, over to you.
The next question is for Siddharth and Tamanna. For both of you, there's just an incredible amount of star power that both of you bring, to the big screen. What's the one thing that audiences can look forward to in this film?
Wow. Good afternoon, everyone. I think it's difficult to pinpoint one, but just picking up from where Ekta was talking, actually. Firstly, I have to say this is mine and Ekta's third collaboration, and I have noticed her in the first two projects, and I think by far she's the most passionate about one. I have never had a producer who could narrate me the film from start to finish. And the amount of hard work that she's put in onto this film, along with, of course, this prolific team, but because I know her the longest, because I know her the longest, I have to say I'm most excited about my project with Balaji here. And then, as she said, the German seed comes from TVF, who we all have seen their shows with Amazon. I think they're one of the first to actually have something of a 5th season in Amazon for the first time, which is Panchayat. Okay, we won't announce it as yet, but our director who's not here, who's directed Panchayat with Amazon. And then we have a wonderful team of our cast and team who've executed this germ into a larger, big cinema experience, which is Manu Anand, as you can see, who's gotten the visuals, Neeraj, who's produced it, and of course then the cast are prolific actors along with me, starting with Tamanna, Shweta, and I don't know why I've become the host, but I just want to say I'm really excited to be with this wonderful team. And it's going to give you a big screen experience, folk with thriller, a lot of fun and intrigue. So we're really excited about this project and bring it to the big cinemas near you.
We also hear say that, of course, your tremendous star presence, Tamanna and you make such a gorgeous couple, and you all both could be incredible. The teaser looks fantastic, but we believe from inside sources that Manish Paul is the big highlight of this film. He just paid me a big amount to say this.
बस ये host और host के बीच में host हो रहे.
In kind, he's saying, "Baby, darling, Ganesh की आरज़ू बढ़ती नहीं जा रही." All right. Now for the photo ops on our collective behalf.
No, please, can you tell us a little bit about this collaboration?
I just say, first of all, I would like to thank, on behalf of all of us from India to Amazon, because the kind of content Amazon is streaming, it is reducing the stress worldwide, and it is increasing the joy. So thank you, Amazon, for bringing such amazing content. That's what I would like to say first. And then, it was a long wish to work with Karan, Apurva, and Dharma. And I think with Nagzilla, this really happened. And
be a really big entrepreneur. I could actually buy stakes in a lot of big film studios and then make my own films.
Wow, that is a good answer. And a lot of us have been up for sale as well.
But the point is to make films, no matter how you make them. Because being an entrepreneur, I won't have any idea to how to make films. So I'll have to be dependent on film studios. Yeah.
Well, I imagine whatever Rajkumar Rao does, he does fantastically, including how fantastic this looks and how great you always are. Congratulations, Aditya, as well.
Thank you, Karan.
Aditya, I had a question for you. The startup world is such a dynamic, unpredictable background. Was that the reason that drew you to this movie?
Yeah, it's a lot like our film industry, so it just was a lot of common themes, and what better partners than the OG startup to help us out, Amazon.
All right, thank you so much. We can't wait. This first look was truly exceptional, and we can't wait for it to hit the cinemas very soon. And I know you have already announced the release date, which is exceptional. I request Kelly, Nicole, a great film that had tickled our money bowls. It really must be something special to pique your interest. Please tell us some more about this film.
So, one of the afternoons when I was waiting for my last couple of scenes of Teresh from Himanshu, came in and said, "Sir, एक idea है." So when he comes with this thing, I said he wants to buy time for some more scenes to be written for Teresh. Then he narrated me, Nahi Nahi. And the first thing that came to my mind कि यार इसको जल्दी से बनाना है, let's move fast. And उसके लिए जो सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है I have a director, so we got Balaji on board. We need a strong performer. Here she is, and a strong partners. They're there. And this is Naina Haveli. And when you have something big to say, or very strong thought, it has to be coated well with, humor. So according to me, the film has got a great value system attached to it, and it required a lot of humor, which comes very naturally to Himanshu. So we are here with Naina Haveli. Thank you.
I can say one thing, that when our team at Amazon heard the script, even we had the same reaction. So isko jaldi se bana dena. It's a lovely script. Yami, I wanted to ask you, you've been going from strength to strength with every performance of yours, such fantastic work. But Naina Haveli as a supernatural comedy is a slightly different space from what you've done before. So what drew you to it?
Namaskar. Thank you so much for this warm welcome. Thank you, Karan. Thank you, Nikhil. And what drew me was exactly what you said. Hatke hai, original hai. It's the originality which I'm a fan of. And when an original idea is backed by creative visionaries like Anand sir, Himanshu, Balaji sir, some fantastic HODs, fantastic talent, and of course, strong partner backing us with Amazon MGM. I expect some magic to happen, and just let go and go with the flow and give our audience the best experience we can to the best of our abilities. And Baki sir, God's been kind, and we hope to give you an experience, something which you feel it's absolutely been worth your time and money.
Yami, God is kind, but your talent is exceptional, and we can't wait to see it yet again. With each performance, you're really hitting it out of the park, stadium, universe, everything. Like, I don't know where that ball is going now anymore. But we can't wait to watch this, and we'd love now to call on stage Gaurav Gandhi, Kelly Nicole. And there are not many amazing collaborations of creative minds like this. How did this exciting project come about?
I think more than me, I think A.R. Rahman and Lijo George Pelisseri. I mean, he has his own cult following, and I'm part of the Lijo cult and the A.R. Rahman cult. So I'm in this film as a producer fanboy, somebody who just wants to watch this film, wanted to make this film happen, and it's happening with some of the most wonderful people. And it's a story that I heard 3 years ago, and I said, this is a story that needs to be told, but something that I want to sit back and watch, not live with the expectations of what comes with the story. So, Nikhil, thank you for trusting us. Thank you, Amazon, for trusting us with this really, really crooked love story written by a madcap called Karan Vyas. And we are really, really thrilled to be on this journey with Amazon MGM, and to take this musical, 12, 13 songs, dance, music. Every day that I see the rushes, I'm just marveling. I want to be on set and love.
There's a small trivia about this movie. Chetan and I had gone to hear the script, and it was my birthday, and then I told Hansal, thank you for a fantastic birthday gift, because it's a fantastic, lovely script. Abhay, just a few words from you about the movie.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, standing among these legends is it's more than a dream come true. And again, I would like to just mention the chance that I've gotten to work in an Lijo Joseph Pelisseri film, and the music by the one and only Rahman sir. Talking about chances, I spoke to my mother in the morning, and she had a very, on video call, I could see a glint of proudness in her eyes. So I just realized one thing, that I really would like to work as hard as possible to make that glint come often from me, for me. And yeah, it's बहुत सारे सपने इस फिल्म में एक ही बार में पूरे हो रहे हैं. So I'm very excited for you all to watch the film. Thank you.
Congratulations, and we can't wait to watch everything about this film unfold.
Can I request?
Share something about your character in the film and how it has been working with Amazon and of course us at Dharma Productions.
Firstly, it feels surreal to be standing here. Two of my most favorite mentors are here. I remember a decade ago, we did FanFest together, and I just requested you, ki sir, I'm doing T2 talks on stage in front of 10,000 people. Will you be a part of it? And without any hesitation, he agreed to do it, and he actually came. So we had to manage everything, but he was such a sport, and since then, every decision that I've taken in life, I just text him once that I'm going to do this, please guide me. And with Nikhil sir, it's been one hell of a ride. My first ever show, he made it happen. My second show, he was there. And my first movie, he's there. So thank you, Nikhil sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And Kuku is just like me. मेरी तरह ये लड़का है कुकू, दिल्ली का, awkward. उसको लड़कियों से बात करनी नहीं आती. He's very shy, but like many other Delhi boys, he's a lover boy. And yeah, so it's been a great, fun ride shooting with this guy, and he's a phenomenal director. And I don't believe that we still have 15 days to go.
You have 15 days to go, Shari. All right.
Lesser.
Well, just note that we have some exciting producers with us. Suben Mishra, who heads all the development of Dharma. Raj Mehta, who's a solid filmmaker himself, is now turning producer, and his foray into production with Kuku Ki Kundi while he directs a film of his own. Marika, a strong pillar of our company and will always be. Sharan Sharma, who made his debut at Dharma Productions with Gunjan Saxena, making his third feature film. Apurva Mehta, who I cannot live without. So it's like a full coming together of various pillars of Dharma Productions. So Kuku Ki Kundi, I keep saying, Kuku Ki Kundi.
You started this from the first day. It's been Kuku, Kiki, Kuku.
By the way, I was the only one getting it right because Apurva called it Kuku Ki Koti and you called it something else altogether. So I was the only one getting it right, and for some reason today, the 3 hours on stage, all on my own, I think I can be allowed a certain slip of the tongue.
But I wanted to ask Vamika. Vamika, you started your journey with Prime Video at Jubilee, and now with Amazon MGM Studios, with Kuku Ki Kundi. It's been a remarkable journey. Just tell us how you feel.
ये इतना बड़ा मुझे आंसर यहाँ पे देना
क्या था सवाल? मैं देता हूँ. मैं टिप्स दूँ. क्या सवाल पूछा?
कि जुबली से लेके अब तक क्या है?
क्या है?
पहले क्वेश्चन मिला था वो ये था कि डिस्क्राइब इट इन वन वर्ड. मैंने कहा हाँ, एक वर्ड में डिस्क्राइब कर दूंगी. आपने मुझे वन वर्ड डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए बोला नहीं. बट एनीवे मैं सोच के आई थी कि I'm gonna say becoming. मैंने बहुत सोचा कि क्या बोलूँ मैं वन वर्ड में कैसे डिस्क्राइब करूँ. It started off as I am supposed to reach some destination, but जैसे जैसे ये जर्नी चलती गई, I understood that it's not about any destination, it's about becoming, or the whole journey was about learning, unlearning, and just making me more aware about my own self, and I've been discovering who I am in phases and bits. I am as an actor and as a person. So yeah, it's not a one-word answer, but I think
it's a good answer.
This is how I would describe it.
Thank you.
I'm sure you had a wonderful time because every time I see the stills of the film and all the footage, it looks like you guys had a great time and are making a solid film.
We are having so much fun.
Yeah. Apurva, would you like to share something about the excitement about Kuku Ki Kundi?
No, this is such an exciting script. It's really true Dharma style, rom-com, entertainer, fun. There's chaos because the Kundlis create some confusion, but I'll save the rest for later. But it's been so lovely making this with Amazon Studios, and we've done so much work with them, and it's always such a pleasure. So thank you for this wonderful opportunity again.
Amazon has been wonderful, and with that we'd love to welcome the warm, wonderful family of Amazon.
Direct as well.
And like Karan was mentioning, I played many roles, और आप जैसे आप देख सकते हैं मैं Prime Video बन के आया हूँ. I'm wearing the colors, so I think in life when you get an opportunity, you must grab it and make most of it. I've been lucky enough to get those with Madgaon Express firstly, where I turned writer director. It was actually a film that I wrote myself to act in. I never knew that I was going to be a director or get a chance to direct it. So when I did get it, I really enjoyed doing that. So I definitely wanted to be a director again. But this time, finding amazing partners with Nikhil, Gaurav, and the amazing team at MGM and Amazon, They also let me be an actor in it. So I was like, I'm going to grab this one even harder. But I had a lot of fun making this film. I had an incredible cast with me. I'm very honored to be working with somebody like Preeti Zinta, who I've been a fan, big fan of. Sparsh is incredible. We're launching Vanshika Dheer, who's a wonderful new actor. And we hope that when this film is ready to come out in theaters, you give us all the love, come and support us, and we'll make it worth your while. Thank you.
Kunal, we can't wait to see this. You're such an incredible force of nature, truly. Actor, director, and everything you've ever done has just been absolutely fantastic. And this looks like it has a full-on vibe. Preeti, big hug, big kiss, I love you. I haven't seen her in so long, and I have the best memories of working with Preeti. Truly have. Now I know, Preeti, you as an actor have politely declined many films and many projects that have come your way. What was it about Vibe that got you all vibey?
According to Kunal, I was in a good mood.
You were in a good mood?
Yes, I was in a good mood. So,
But is it good enough? The mood? No, sorry.
No, Karan, when I heard it, I just fell down laughing. And it was just so funny. And I just couldn't say no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He had you at hello, basically.
He had
You
me
had you at hello.
Yeah.
Well, we can't wait to see you. I just wish you would do more work. Preeti, you light up every time you're on screen. And I know Kunal knows that. He must have crushed a lot, and that's why he has decided that he wants you.
Guilty as charged.
Yeah. Well, we can't wait. We can't wait to watch this.
Okay, let's welcome back on stage Gaurav, Kelly, Nicole, and Chetan.
We hope what we intended comes true. To answer your question, not trying to be humble or modest here, I think I doubt if anybody can really take credit for a good idea landing on their lap. So I guess I just got lucky over there. Something that resonates with the audience, connects with the audience. But the next part of the process, developing it, I really took a lot of time, more than the time that was given to me. So I'm just thankful to my creative producers. They just stood by me and then they gave me all the time that I needed. So I was able to do something that I was completely satisfied and confident about. So, and that is one part of the thing. The balance is like getting the right cast. So I've got Sasi sir, Anaga, and Yashwant, and a lot more of interesting cast in the team. So that's made the job. So we just have to wait and witness the results.
Thank you. Padma, please join us for a photo.
Focus on other genres, but I guess love has no age, and you're never too old to do a great love story. So this is a great, I think, coming back to the genre. It's the first collab for me and Pooja. We've come close several times, but somehow like our tastes never seem to match. And we have Ikshit also on the film with us. It's something that we are all very excited about. It's something that's very sweet. I think you'll all love this film.
And thank you. I think just the first visual of that film is looking fab. I think this is something all of us are going to be like very eagerly, waiting for.
I'm a sucker for romance and also nightmares, so I'm looking forward to this. Welcome back on stage, Shilangi Mukherjee.
I really love the idea of doing all these cool stunts, but it's getting tougher as you get older. But really enjoyed doing it in -23-degree weather recently, and Vamika's been fabulous. She's been amazing. She did some of the action better than I did, so I'm a bit and very grateful to my producers, Vishnu Prasad Garu, Abhishek sir, and Anil Sundara Garu. And yeah, I wish my director focused more on me, but he's focused more on giving you guys an exciting movie, so not too shabby.
And I think she's giving you a run for her money from that trailer. It looks intense.
She is, she's amazing.
So let's have a quick photo with the whole team. I'm going to call
To the big screen, how exciting is it for you to take Good News Story forward, well, new cinematic way?
बहुत मजा आएगा बहुत मजा आने वाला है ऑलरेडी हमने शूट कर लिया है वी हैड अ लॉट ऑफ फन ये पहली दफ़ा ये खेल हुआ है सॉरी बहुत अंग्रेजी हो रही थी मैंने सोचा थोड़ा नहीं क्योंकि सुबह भी आया था मैं यहाँ थोड़ा दो शब्द बोल के चला गया और फर्राटे से बोला था मैंने लेकिन हमारी पूरी टीम पीछे वेट कर रही है और ये है ये खुद बोले तो बेटर है क्योंकि दोनों अपने आप में लेजेंड्स हैं और हम सब साथ हैं इस दफ़ा तो मज़ा आ रहा है।
Pankaj, I have a question for you. You've enthralled audiences with your portrayal of Kaleen Bhaiya, and now it's about to make its way to the big screen. As someone who's lived with this ruthless character for so long, मतलब आपके लिए क्या मायने रखती है ये फिल्म?
भूल तो नहीं गए हमें। हमारे लिए बड़ी फिल्म मायने रखती है, जो हिंदुस्तान में पहली बार हो रहा है कि एक सीरीज को बड़े स्क्रीन पे ट्रांसफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, तो बहुत खास है हम सबके लिए और मेरे लिए भी।
Divyendu, this has been truly actually path-breaking in every which way. Because as Pankaj just said it, and also Manish, when we reiterated, this is the first of its kind, and it happens only here, and it all starts here. What do you feel about this massive transformation from digital to the cinematic universe?
Hello everyone, good evening. I just feel that I'm really glad that we are doing this, and I think more than anything, Mirzapur, how the stories, the scale is gonna justify its presence on the big screen. And like you said, it's the first of its kind. We are all waited with the bated breath कि कैसा जाएगा, लोगों को कैसा पसंद आएगा. But I think जिससे भी बात हुई है, लोगों को बताया है, they've been very very positive. They're very excited कि मिर्ज़ापुर अब बड़े स्क्रीन पे आ रहा है. So are we?
Very good. We can't wait. This is possibly one of those movie moments that we can't wait for it to happen and unfold on celluloid. Now, joining the Kingpins on stage are the Kingmakers. Please welcome the creators of Mirzapur.
After 3 years of immersing ourselves in this world that is Mirzapur with such great characters, I think the moment that Puneet came up with this idea, it felt like he just opened a door to a new world. So it was completely amazing to be able to now transport all these characters into a world with such a massive scale, with sort of no holds barred, where our imagination can actually take us where we want to go, and it's just going to be amazing to share that with the audience and now on the big screen. And I think there's one thing that Mirzapur believes in is कि बस मजा आना चाहिए, and इस बार बहुत मजा आया.
Lovely, that sounds very exciting. Let's have the whole Mirzapur cartel over now. Let's hear it for Rasika Duggal, Shweta Tripathi, Shriya Pilgaonkar,